Once you've got it where you want them, you can leave those there, that's fine, but take the one that you're working on off, and you're just gonna kind of eye this. So all of the fur is down. What we wanna do is actually, it's kind of a spiral. So you wanna eye your middle here, and we're gonna push the fabric out. You see how it's kind of creating this little, not really a spiral, but I'm spreading the fabric out as much as I can. And the idea is, it's kind of hard to see on camera. I'm actually able to touch the back of the fabric there, right there. I've spread all the way down to the back. Get our cute little piggy there ironed on. And again, it's a lower setting. I am not on my highest setting here. I am actually on the polyester setting.